So today in computer, we are going to start our lesson 4.3. The name of the lesson is costume change. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is costume change. In this, in this lesson, you will learn to add a new blocks to the program. As you remember, if you remember, in the last computer class, we have learned how to add some blocks to our programming section. How to add this blocks to our programming section to make a program. We have learned how to add the blocks. So in this unit, in this lesson, we are going to know that how can we add some new blocks to the program? How can we add some new blocks to the program? Fit the program to start block. You can choose which one. There is a purple block on the screen. You will add that block to the program. Purple blocks change how Scratch looks. Scratch can swap between two looks. The looks are called costumes. The looks are called costume. Means if we are going to use this purple block on the screen, what it is going to do, it is going to change the look of Mr. Scratch. Mr. Scratch is going to change his look. As you can see here, his eyes are black, but after his eye colors are changed and it is purple. Purple blocks change how Scratch looks. Scratch can swap between two looks. The looks are called costume. The changed look is called costume. Okay. Changing costume makes Scratch legs move about. Next costume. Next costume. You will fit the purple costume block into the program. First, you must pull out the blocks apart. Okay, open your Scratch and see how I'm going to change it. Here, this is the program that we have done in the last class. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to add one more block into it, then which is called next costume. That block is called next costume. Here. So go in purple and try to find next costume, change patch, next costume, next costume. Okay, it is next costume. Bring the next costume and drag it and drop it. After that, what you are going to do, you are going to put the blocks back again. Okay, click on red, then make the screen big. Now click on green flag. But what we did, we have choose when Scratch clicked. I'm going to click on Scratch. Look, it is Mr. Scratch is changed. His eyes are changed and his legs are also changed. Understood? Coming back to the programming. Yes, Mr. Khalid, do you have any question to ask? Let's make the program from start. First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to go in events. Where we are going to go in events and choose the block that says when the sprite clicked. When the sprite clicked. We are just writing the same program again. Okay. So those who did not finish it, they can do it with me now. Then we are going to choose from motion, go to x0, y0. Go here and find it. Go to x0 and y0. Choose this and make it 0. You can write here 0. Understood? Okay, hurry up, do with me like this, boys. Complete till here. Okay. After that, we have to choose turn 25 degree. Turn 25 to left, not right. Look, here we have both right and left. So we are going to choose left. Turn 25 degree. Make it 25. Turn 25 degree. Then you can go in control and take forever loop. What we are going to take? Forever loop. This is called forever. Then we are going to go in motions, looks, and take next costume. Next costume. Then take move 100 steps. And in the end, choose if on edge, bounce. This is our whole program. We can put these blocks back and this here. So what our program says, when this sprite clicked, when this sprite clicked, click here. Look, whenever it strikes with the wall, the color of Mr. Scratch eyes and legs are changed. Understood? Okay, coming back to the lesson. Here, they just did it. Put the purple costume block here. You have to put it off in the forever loop. Make the program start. What is different? There is a lot of different in the last and when we change the costume. Okay, moving on to the next lesson, that is 4.4 extra sprites. Extra sprites. In this lesson, you will learn to add an extra sprite to a program. Extra sprite to a program means first we were using a one sprite, but in this program we are going to learn to add more than one characters, more than one characters. To add an extra sprite to a program, you have seen this program before. It is called Hedgehog game. Scratch must dodge the hedgehog. Scratch is a sprite. The program makes the sprite move. Press the space bar to start the program, to start the game. There are two sprites in this game. Now you will add another extra hedgehog to the game. So in this program that we are going to write, What we are going to do, we are going to add hedgehog. This one, we are going to add this character. Okay. Now it is saying how to choose how to add an extra sprite, another sprite. Coming back to our Scratch website, here first stop the program and then click on this. This is how it is called, duplicate. Choose a sprite. First of all, we are going to choose hedgehog. You can write it here and choose it. This is how we can duplicate it. Okay, for this we have to write a new program again that we are going to write now. Have you people add hedgehog to the program? Okay, first of all, we have to stop the sprite. And this coding was for this. For hedgehog, we have to write a new code. First of all, we have choose a new character called hedgehog, and then we have written our programming for this. Here are in the events, first of all, I went and took when any key pressed, when any key press. Then go to random position, go to random position. You can choose from here, go mouse pointer. If I will choose, go to mouse pointer, it will go where the mouse pointer is. Then we are going to take forever loop and add next costume. And if we are going to write pick random from the operators, we are going to take pick random 1 to 100, 1 to 10 equals 5. Point towards mouse pointer, mouse towards sprite. If you will do it sprite, it will go to the sprite. Move 10 steps on the edge bounce, touching the edge. You can say here, sprite. Okay, now let's start the program. Where it will go to the it will go to the Mr. Sprite. 10, turn 180 degree, move to 10 steps. Here we have used 3 loops. Forever loop, if loop, and again if and then loop. And this is our final outcome. Okay, if you want to take a picture, I'm going to zoom it. You can take a picture of my program as well if you don't understand. Or make a video, whatever you like, people. Whatever is easy for you.